What's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those of you that do not know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated online premium educational platform available for traders today. And if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the place. Before I begin, guys, I just want to say what a fantastic month it's been so far in the month of August. You know, I mean, SPRT was just ridiculous. You know, I mean, just that we've had a lot of really good action. You know, it was supposed to be what is typically usually supposed to be a slower month. It actually, in fact, wasn't. We've had tremendous opportunity. We've had volatility in the overall markets. We've had small caps trade really well. We've had earnings give stocks pretty big movements. You had big, large, volatile moves in crypto markets. I mean, there's been a lot of really good opportunities so far in the month of August. It's been a fantastic month, and I'm just truly grateful for the opportunity to trade with my TTD family members on a daily basis. Also, I had so many members this month have said they have had such growth, not only in their P&L, but as traders. You know, and that's the thing, guys. Making money is great, but it's priceless also to be able to learn how to stand on your own 2 feet. That's exactly what we do here in True Trading Group. I've gotten so many messages, so many people, because there's been so much opportunity in the markets, in different areas of the market, that I've had a lot of people message me and tell me about, Mike, take a look at this, take a look at this, like, look at the trade that I made. I did this on my own. I found this on my own. I did this on my own. And there's been a lot of that this month because there has been action in all different areas of the market. So regardless of the type of trader that you are, whether you trade small caps, mid caps, large caps, crypto, options, stocks, day trade, swing trade, whatever, there's been a lot of opportunity. And that's the beauty of actually getting yourself a real education. That's the beauty about True Trading Group, is being able to stand on your own 2 feet and really learn how to fish for yourself. You know, and I really don't see this slowing down. I don't see this slowing down. I think we're going to continue to see really good action. You know, it's like the retail trader is here to stay. You know, like SPRT, another one of these major, huge short squeezes where the retail community has really gotten behind the name and has squeezed out an institutional short position on it. And that seems like it is here to stay. You know, the markets are sitting up here at all-time highs over the next couple of months. You know, I do think the markets have a little bit of a runway to continue to move higher and just float higher slowly. But then I expect a lot of volatility in 2022. I think there's going to be just tremendous trading opportunity for active traders for several months to come. And I'm excited to take advantage of it on a daily basis with my TTD fam. All right. So there you have it, folks. All right, gang, 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live for free right here on this YouTube channel where myself, other TTD Pro Trader moderators, and special guests drop golden nuggets and provide you with free lessons and education that are going to help you to become a better trader. So take a moment right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Turn on your notifications and share this stream on your own social media. We're live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. So let's reach out. Let's educate, empower as many retail traders as we possibly can. My goal on these live streams is simple: provide you with lessons and education that can help you become a better trader. But how do you know you can listen to any of the things that I say on these live streams? Guys, I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. That's first and foremost, first thing that you'll always hear me talk about. Wasn't in my mother's basement for 3 years and I figured out some magic secret formula. My very first job out of college in 2007 was working for a fund in New York City. That is where I learned how to trade. They taught me how to trade. I didn't know what I was doing prior to that. Then 2008 happened. The stock market crashed, the Great Recession. But during that chaotic time, I actually went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. But before they even let me touch $1 of their money, I first had to go through an intensive training program. I had access to some of the top trading tools, and I was part of a community of like-minded traders. And that is exactly what the True Trading Group platform is based on here today. Gang, we're going to start things off. I know it's Friday. Maybe some people are anxious to get to the weekend. We're going to start this live stream off with a 15 to 20-minute Q&A session. Then we're going to be discussing this week's trading recap. And I'm looking for what I'm looking for prior to this Sunday's 8 p.m. Eastern weekly outlook. You are definitely going to want to tune into that this Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. I will be going live right here on this YouTube channel again, while I break down and share with you where I expect to make money in the markets next week. Tell you guys what are the stocks that I'm looking at and that I'm focusing on, and it's something that you are definitely not going to want to miss. I also have a lesson that I want to cover with you guys on a specific trade today in SGOC. It has everything to do with stop losses, something that I get 1 million questions a day from traders about We're going to talk about stop losses here today. One very specific lesson on SGOC, which was a nice winning trade for us today. Today was actually like a break-even day for me. I traded a couple different things. I traded TKAT. I traded SGOC, had some wins, had some losses. At the end of the day, kind of finished the day right around break-even. So that's coming off of a monster day from the day before because of SPRT. So finishing the week off just kind of with a break-even day, but it's been a really strong week. It's been a really strong month of August. And the lesson, like I said, that I want you to take away from the day today is really about SGOC, which is something we're going to talk about with stop losses. And last but not least, I will walk you through the entire TTG platform. I'll show you exactly what TTG has to offer and what you get as a member of True Trading Group. So for those that are interested, stick around to the end of the live. I'll walk you through. I'll show you guys the entire platform. Now, listen up. Listen good. We're about to start that Q&A. So you have a trader with 17 years of experience sitting here in front of you saying, ask me anything. So go ahead. Don't be shy. Start typing your questions in chat right now. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. If you have a question, I guarantee you somebody else on this live has the exact same question. So without any further ado, folks, start typing your questions right in chat right now, and let's begin that Q&A. Mike, you trying to trade after? Nah, Justin, I'm not, brother. No, I'm not. I have no intentions on trading SPRT. It's not real. First of all, it's not moving right now. That's first of all. First of all, the stock's not moving. And you want to talk about a roller coaster of a ride. The stock went from $30 up to $60, back to $30. Did a complete round trip. I have no intentions on trading that stock after hours right now. No. Yes. DRD, happy 1 month anniversary. Tomorrow is DRD's 1 month mark being a member of True Trading Group and has been all green since joining. That is absolutely incredible. That's absolutely incredible, man. Congratulations. It's just the beginning. Rockman also 1 month with TTG. Love the platform, but still trading sideways, even using their tier trading system. Any advice to help me keep more profits? Listen, Rockman, Rome was not built in a day, brother. Okay, you've only been a member for 1 month. That's a very short period of time. All right, so the fact that you're loving the platform, your P&L is trading sideways a little bit, it's a hell of a lot better than losing money, right? Hell of a lot better than losing money. There's a reason why the driver's test when you get your driver's license, you first have a written exam, and then you have the actual driving part. All right. You're just learning all the material. Take your time. Do not be in too much of a rush to just instantly start killing it. A lot of people get very excited, especially when they join True Trading Group, because they know the success rate of our members. They get very excited that they're finally learning a true professional education. They're not getting some gimmicky BS from some guru on YouTube. They're actually getting themselves a real education from someone that's traded on Wall Street professionally, and they get very excited. It's totally normal. I get it, but understand Rome is not built in a day. Take your time. Don't try to go too big too fast, or don't try to go too fast too quickly. Whatever analogy you want to use, don't try to put the cart before the horse. Whatever analogy that you guys want to use, take your time. 1 month is you are an infant as far as the trading journey. Okay, so just take it all in. I would tell you to go back through your first month, review some of your trades, see where you're going wrong, see what mistakes you're making. It's very important, especially early in your career, that you journal your trading. You want to make sure that you are able to keep track of the trades that you're making and see if there's a pattern in your trading. Like maybe there's a specific chart setup that you continuously lose money on, or maybe there's a specific type of stock or a specific time of day that you continuously lose money on. And then we can work on fixing that. What is the reason why you're making those mistakes? Let's improve on those mistakes and then get you to a point where your P&L can start moving up in the right direction. Okay, very important that you go through that journaling process early in your career. Zeus, my brother, I want to start paying myself. Do you recommend a trader pay himself daily, weekly, or monthly? I recommend monthly. So what you can do is whatever the balance is in your account that you keep. I'm random number. Random number. Let's say if you had $40,000 in your trading account. And let's say at the end of the month, you've got $50,000 in your trading account. Take out 10, you're back to 40. Then let's say at the end of the month, you have 48. Take the 8 out, you're back to 40. At the end of the month, you've got 54. Take out the 14, you're back to 40, and pay yourself that way. As long as you are using that buying power that's in your account, all right, you want to make sure that you have enough money in your account so that you do not run out of buying power. So what I'm saying is, like, let's say if you go from, 40,000 account to 50, you don't want to take 25 grand out, bring you back down to 25 grand. You want to make sure that you have enough buying power in your account to handle the position size and the risk that you take on all of your trades. All right. So you want to make sure that you and then as eventually you'll get to a point, Zeus, where it's time for you to start to increase your position size and increase your risk. And therefore then your balance, let's say as an example, let's say 1 month, again, I'm just using the $40,000 balance as an example. Let's say you're at 40K. Then 1 month you get to 55K, and you make a decision that you're ready to increase your position size and take bigger risk per trade. Instead of taking the 15 grand out to go back to 40, maybe take 7,500 out. And now your balance is 47,500. And then the next month, let's say you're 47,500, you go all the way to 60, only take 5 grand out. Now your balance is 55. And now you stay at 55 because maybe that's now enough for that increase in risk and that increase in position size, meaning you're going to need more buying power that can handle. That's that difference. Now you just increase 15K, which multiply that times 4 with your margin. That's how much more buying power you just got. And then now let's say if 55 is your base, now you start trading again. Let's say now the next month you're at 65. You take 10 out, you're back to 55. Then your next trade, you're up 70. Take 15 out, you're back to 55. And you keep doing that until once again, you're ready to increase your position size again. And then you'll start to walk yourself up through that way. So that's kind of the way that I would suggest. But again, it's up to you. It's up to you, man. It's your money. It's your account. It's your life. Everyone's got their own financial situations. But that would be way that I would do it. You're not dumb. Bradecki, you are not dumb. Okay? You are not dumb at all. Don't say that. I know you're just kind of joking around, but don't say that. Seriously, don't say that. Everyone comes in with different levels of experience. Dumb is something else entirely. And no one on here or in True Trading Group is dumb. Trading is 80% up here. It's 80% mental, psychological. Controlling your emotions is not easy. Learning a new skill is not easy, but it's possible. And I know you can do this, and we will work with you any way that we can so you do this, so you can do this. Trading is not some like impossible task that only gift-minded people are able to succeed at. The average person does not have success in the markets because the average person is not taught how to be successful in the markets. You have to look at trading. Don't look at trading as a get-rich-quick scheme because it's not. You're learning a new skill entirely. And it's no different than if you were going to learn any other new skill or any other new profession. The reason why we hype up those people that are succeeding is so that you and others that are struggling can see that it is possible. But if I was to take you, okay, when you go into the stock market, you have to understand something. You're entering someone else's professional arena. People that do this for a living, millions of people around the world that do this for a living, that are true experts at their craft and are professionals. To think that you're going to step into their arena without any education or training and be successful is actually foolish. There's not a single other profession in the world that you can just show up with no training and be better or equal to someone that does it for a living. I can't take any one of you that have never spent one day in law school, drop you into the middle of a courtroom and say, go try this case. Every one of you would fail. I can take any single one of you that have never worked a construction site a day in your life and say, go pour this concrete. Every single one of you are going to mess that up because no one's ever showed you how to pour concrete. I can take any single one of you and take you into a restaurant, drop you into the kitchen in the back and say, make me a chicken marsala. Every single one of you are going to fail because no one's ever taught you how to make a chicken marsala. Now, I know these analogies might sound very simplistic, but it's the truth. But if I took the time, and let's say we took the time and you went to law school, and then I dropped you into a courtroom, I bet you'll have more success. Let's say I take you back to that construction site, but for a month before, I train you on how to pour that concrete. I bet you're going to have more success. If I show you how to make chicken marsala, I can't show you. I don't know how to do it. But if somebody else showed you how to make chicken marsala, I bet you'd have a lot more success. It's not that you're dumb. It's just that you have not yet been taught. That's the difference. That's the power of an education. And you need to start looking at trading that way with that mindset, because it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And shame on you if you think you're just going to step into someone else's professional arena and think you're going to be just as good at this as they are. That's just naive. That's ignorant. You have to learn and understand that you're learning a new skill. And just like any other skill, if you want to be good at it, you've got to be willing to put in a little bit of time, energy, and effort to learn. That's what makes a professional education so damn important in this game. That is why so many traders fail. So many traders fail because they go, oh, wow, GameStop, wow, SPRT, wow, I'm going to put $5,000 into a Robinhood account. And they go, wow, options, this is crazy. And they buy options. And they have no idea what they're doing at all. They lose money and they go, man, this trading thing is a scam. No, it's not. You're just naive to think that you're just going to show up one day to the construction site and pour concrete like the guys that have been doing this for 10 years. Shame on you. That's the reality of the situation. That's the reality of the situation. Speaking of options, for anyone that is interested, we do have the Options Palooza event that's taking place on September 11th from 9 to 6 p.m. Eastern. Okay, for those of you that are interested, we do a lot of live workshops and events with our members, and we're holding an Options Palooza where our two head option traders, Momin and Chris Toner, those are the moderators inside of True Trading Group. This is going to be an explosive live event. Absolutely explosive. I think everybody should learn how to trade options, whether you have a big account or a small account. Small account specifically, it's a great way for you to grow your account quickly. But with that potential higher reward does also come higher risk. So you have to understand and know what you're doing. This is going to be an absolutely explosive. Not sure. This is going to be an absolutely explosive workshop. All right. So again, September 11th. September 11th from 9 to 6. Okay, 9 to 6, Options Palooza. You guys, they're going to go over like intro to options, like just buying and selling calls and puts, but they're also going to go over some advanced strategies like selling covered calls, straddles, strangles, debit spreads, credit spreads. They're going to go over all that different stuff with you. The different Greeks, delta, theta, right? They're going to go over all that stuff with you when it comes to trading options. It's totally free for TeachD members. All right. It's totally free for TeachD members. All of our live events are free. It's an all-day event from 9 to 6. Set your reminders. But I'm sorry, it is only for TeachD members. So if you're not a member of True Trading Group, you guys will not be able to attend. You have to be a member of True Trading Group in order to attend the Options Palooza. If you're not a member, it's not free for you. You guys are going to have to pay for a membership. But if you are a member, it is completely free for all of our TeachD fans. How do I focus more on how much I'm going to lose than how much I'm going to win? I have lost a lot being a greedy dog. Well, Dennis, you have to understand something. You cannot control how much money you're going to make on a trade. Okay? You can control how much you're going to lose. So the age-old saying is to not worry or not stress about things that are out of your control, right? Age-old saying. There is no way for you to control how much you're going to make on a trade because you have no idea how high the stock is going to go. When you buy a stock at $10, are you going to, is it going to go to 11, 12, 14, 15, 20, 25? We have no idea, right? You'll take profits up along the way. So you really have no way of controlling how much you're going to make if you're right. But you have 100% control of how much you're going to lose if you're wrong. Because if you buy the stock at 10, you say my stop loss is 9.25, then you can control how much you're going to lose if you're wrong. Exactly how much you're going to lose if you're wrong. You can control that by stopping out at 9.25. You cannot control how much you're going to make if you're right. So stop worrying about things that are outside of your control. All you need to worry about is if I am wrong and get stopped out, how much am I going to lose? That is the number that is important. How much you make, that's not as important. Who cares? It's more money than you had before you started. Whether you make $100, 500, 1,000, or 5,000, who cares? It's more than you had when you started. You need to be more concerned with how much you're going to lose if you're wrong. One of the biggest quotes that has stuck with me throughout the years of my trading, and I'll tell you guys a little story. And I'll tell you guys a story, and then we'll take maybe one more question before we move on. My TTG family members, they know this story very well. Very early in my trading career, I was nowhere near the patient and disciplined trader that I am today. Some of my best traits as a trader is my patience and my discipline. I think my TTG members would agree with that. But I wasn't always like that. I was a cowboy. I would shoot from the hip. I'd have big wins, but I'd also have big losses. I was completely out of control. I had no risk management whatsoever. And there was a situation one day when I was working at the fund. I got caught in a position, a piece of news came out, and the stock started to drop very, very, very rapidly. And I was stuck in my position. And I freaked out. I got so pissed off that I stood up from my trading station. I grabbed my keyboard and I snapped it right in half. I snapped it right in half. The space bar, letter P, semicolon went flying. Now, joke's on me because I know I can't get out. I need my keyboard to operate. So what do? I scream to our tech guy at the time. His name was Ruben. I go, Ruben, I need a keyboard. And Ruben comes running down the trading floor. The guy's like 6'5", 300 pounds, massive human being, just running down the trading floor with my new keyboard, sets it up for me so I can manage my position. And then my boss at the time, who was one of the partners of the fund and who was also my mentor, he sat directly in front of me. So the way that our trading floor worked at the fund was all the traders, you have a trading floor with all these long horizontal tables. And there's traders on both sides of the tables, and then your computer monitors are back to back. So like if I'm sitting here and my boss is sitting here, our computers are back to back. So we can't see each other, but we're literally facing each other and we can communicate all day long. So that's how the trading floor was set up. He stands up so I can see him, and so he's looking right at me, and he goes, Mike, get off the floor. Kicked me off the trading floor. I went into, we had a little trader's lounge at the fund with like a PlayStation and chair, like a massage chair and like a little relaxing area. Okay, a little relaxing area. And I sat there until the market was almost closed. And then after the close, he came in there and he talked to me. And he talked to me for about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 45 minutes. And this conversation completely changed my life. It completely changed the direction that I went as a trader. And he said to me, Mike, he goes, you're your own worst enemy. He basically just helped me understand that I have tremendous potential to be extremely good at this, but I'm never going to succeed if I don't get my emotions, my anger, and my risk management under control. And during this conversation, he said to me, he gave me a quote. He said, great traders are more concerned with how much they're going to lose if they're wrong. Struggling traders are more concerned with how much they're going to make if they're right. And that quote stuck with me forever. And I share that quote with all of my TTG members because it has completely changed my perspective on trading. Everybody looks at trading as, how much am I going to make? How much am I going to make? How much am I going to make? That is when you have a very hard time controlling your risk. That's when you take losses that are far bigger than any of you can actually stand and stomach. That's how you get position size that's way too big for the risk of the trade that you're in. And it's all fun and games when you're right and when the stocks go up. But when they go down and you are wrong, you get crushed. You get crushed and you end up losing more money when you're wrong than you make when you're right. You're never going to be consistently profitable if you lose more money on losing trades than you make on winning trades. Never. If you, let's say you make, okay, 4 trades, 3 winners, 1 loser. But that 1 losing trade wipes out those 3 wins. That means you have a 75% win rate and you are still break even. That's why you'll never be consistently profitable, because your win rate can only be so high. You can't have a 100% win rate. Losing's part of trading. Losing's inevitable. There's no way around that. You're going to make losing trades. Get over it. So if you're going to put so much pressure on yourself to have to be a 75% win rate trader and still only be break even, that doesn't leave you any wiggle room whatsoever. You need to be perfect. You need to have an 80% win rate just to make a little bit of money. Newsflash, there's not many traders that consistently throughout years of their career sit in the 80s win percentile. There's not many. That's professional trader statistics. You want to get to the point where you're right 60% of the time and you're making really good money. Because when you're right, you make more money than when you're wrong. But if all you're obsessed about is how much you're going to make if you're right, your losses are going to be huge. You have to be more concerned with how much you're going to lose if you're wrong. And that's the #1 greatest piece of advice that I think I've ever been told in my trading career. And that's probably the best advice that I can give any one of my TTG members that are here with us now today. And I'm happy, and it is my pleasure to share that advice with all of you on this live stream. And I hope that a lot of you take that to heart. And I hope that a lot of you realize that, because I know a thing or two. Okay, this is a professional trader. This is a partner at a hedge fund that controlled about $450 million in New York City. To this day, still one of the greatest traders that I've ever seen. And that's a piece of advice that he gave me. I've seen this man make 7 figures in one day. So anyone that questions this quote, ask yourself, do you think you know better than him? Doubtful. So I hope that was helpful for you guys here today. Okay? Hope that was helpful for you guys here today. Another green month here, thanks to TGG. Not a red month yet this year. Risk management. Yes, Mambo Jams, kitty cat. Yes, Jenny, I love it. Congratulations. Congratulations, Jenny. Guys, Jenny is a recently new member. Jenny's been a member only for a few months. Less than a year. And has not had a single red month since joining True Trading Group. It's absolutely amazing. Absolutely phenomenal. Congratulations, Jenny. And keep it up. Keep it up. This is just the beginning. It is just the beginning. All right. All right, guys. So there you have it, folks. I think that might just wrap up our Q&A. I mean, that's a really good note to end it on, I feel like, with that little story there. I think that story might hit home for a lot of people that are on this live, and hopefully it makes you realize the importance of risk management. And that is what I teach all of our members. Guys, I make losing trades, right? I make losing trades. Of course I do. I have red days. I made a losing trade today. Like losing trades are part of trading, and it happens. But it is very, very rare that you will ever see me get really, really hurt. It's very rare you see me ever get really, really hurt. I manage my risk extremely well. I teach all of our members, because keeping losses small is how you guys survive this game, and how you grow your accounts, and how you go on to reach goals of financial freedom that you never even thought were possible. But that's not going to happen if you keep getting your legs cut out from underneath you every time that you're wrong. All right. So there you have it, folks. Great job, guys, on the Q&A. Really great job. I mean, that was a good question there. That kind of prompted me to share that story with you. It's not one of my proudest moments. You know, I'm not proud of the fact that my emotions got the best of me so much to where I snapped a keyboard in half. That's just crazy. Like, I snapped the keyboard in half. Like, that's just ridiculous. You know, I should have been fired probably at that moment, you know, but I wasn't. I was given another chance, and I was brought under his wing. And that mentorship and that guidance and that risk management lesson is really what turned my trading around. And I always think back, like, what we try to do in True Trading Group, and what I really, really am very, very conscious of with True Trading Group is, what have I experienced? What have I gone through in 17 years that has helped me? Where were my milestone moments? What were my catalysts and aha moments that helped turn things around for me? Anything that all of you are going through right now, no matter what the struggle is that you're dealing with, I've been there. You have to go through that to get to where you want to be. I don't know a single trader in the world that just one day opened up a Robinhood account and just never looked back and just started making millions of dollars and never had any hurdles or issues that they had to overcome. I don't know a single trader that that's happened to. Traders stair step. What do you, is Joe about to snap a keyboard? Oh! Oh my God. Oh, there it was, guys. That was TTG Joe. For those that don't know, that was Joe, and Joe doing his best Michael Edward imitation that I've ever seen. Oh, thanks, Joe. Always there to give me a good laugh.
He was all keyed up, man.
He was all keyed up. Joe, you've been working out, bud? It's that Bowflex, isn't it?
It is.
It's that Bowflex. Look at you. All right.
Yeah. All right. No, you're good. Good.
Oh, that was good stuff. So yeah, guys, I always think about, like, what has gone on in my trading career that has helped me in my development and in my progression. So I think it's helpful for you guys to hear these stories. I think it's helpful for you to understand that, you know, there's nothing special about me. I just got a real education, you know, and we pass that education down to our teaching members, and that's what makes all the difference. And that's the bottom line. Okay, listen, for those of you that are not TC members, if I did not get to your question, don't worry. We do this 6 nights a week. Make sure to click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and never miss out on any one of these live streams. I will catch your question next time. Guys, understand that True Trading Group is the highest rated and fastest growing premium educational platform for traders. That's all about results, because results matter. We help people reach their goals of becoming consistently profitable by combining top-notch education, premium tools from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, and more. We are a community of traders that shares the same goal, and that's to learn, trade, and profit together. If you guys have been, Adam just doesn't want to go away, guys. Look at him. His mic is off, but he wants everyone to just see him. He's jolly. It's Friday. He's happy. He's not even, his mic is off, and he just wants you to see his face. It's been a long week, guys. We've been working on a lot of new things for True Trading Group.
Yeah. And then right as we launched everything new today, the primary server at ETNA, the downstream partner, went ahead and had what's called a failed WebSocket, which was fixed. It's fixed now, but it was like right as we launched everything, which just makes sense because it's a Friday.
Right. Of course. Of course. Well, yeah, guys.
So, yes, all the bugs are fixed with it. They were fixed right away.
Cool. Very cool. So yeah, guys, we've been working on a lot of new things to add to the platform. That social media sentiment scanner. We've got the customizable scanner that is shareable from moderators to members. We've got our crypto data and platform that's going to be coming out here as well. Adam, you want to show them just real quick? Just take like 2 minutes.
Yeah. The crypto stuff is confirmed next week by like Wednesday.
Excellent.
So we're using, we actually are going to use our deal with CoinMarketCap, but we're also going to include data from a company called Polygon as well. So that's going to be really neat. What's on the screen right now, guys, this is our real-time scanner. This is now live, and it is 100% working. It does have pre-market and post-market data. If any of our members want to go into the member dashboard and play around with this right now, they totally can. You can also go ahead and create your own scanners as well. So we'll select a signal. We'll do unusual volume, and I'll just leave it at that. It'll load. It's preparing the scanner. Loading scanner data. There we go. And then we'll give it a name. We'll call it right. That will save. Takes a second.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
No. It's hang on a second. Anyways, yep, there we go. Then it'll load here, and then all of your scanners are then saved in your list, and then Mike can create a scanner and then push that out to all you guys as well. So it's pretty awesome. It is available now. Also, any of the companies that are here, if you click on one, all the information of that company will load up. You can then go ahead and download a PDF report. It takes about 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. There we go. Open it up, and you will see that all of the analyst ratings from all analysts that cover this company are on here as well. This is a dynamic PDF. It is unlimited downloads for anyone. You can save it, all of it. So this is available right now for every single TTG member. Feel free to go on there and play with it over the weekend. And yeah, and there we go. And then we have our social sentiment scanner, which you were just talking about.
I love this feature. I can't tell you guys.
Dude, you're going to love it even more because starting Monday, Twitter is now integrated into it.
This is going to be amazing. So guys, this social sentiment scanner that we have now on the TTG platform will show you how many times a ticker symbol is mentioned on social media platforms. So as of next week, we're going to have how many times a ticker is mentioned on Reddit and Twitter.
Not just Reddit. I mean, yes, Reddit, but specifically Wall Street Bets.
Right.
Okay.
So this is an amazing feature, and it also shows you the percentage of the float that is short.
Yeah. Hang on, I'll click it. You see?
Yeah.
So it shows total shares in the float, what percentage of the float is short, if it's shortable, optionable, everything. And it shows all of the information, all the news and different articles of the company. Yeah. So next week on Monday or Tuesday, we will have Twitter integrated in there. Right now, we have, this is Wall Street Bets specifically. We'll have Twitter on it Monday or Tuesday, and by the end of the week, Stock Twits will also be in there as well. And we are working also. We are potentially going ahead and working out a deal with Unusual Whales for their unusual options data. That I'm trying to get solidified into a deal by next week. And once that is solidified, all members of TTG, just for being an annual member, will have all the unusual whales data as well.
Yeah.
All right.
It's going to be awesome. It's going to be so awesome. I can't, as a trader, guys, like getting this type of information, unusual options activity, social sentiment scanner, customizable scanners that moderators can share with you. I mean, this is just game-changing, next-level stuff. These are tools and resources that are really, really, really going to give you an edge and an advantage and help you guys to become consistently profitable traders. And it's just ways that we continue to build out this TC platform. You guys don't pay anything extra for this. All these features are included when you're an annual member.
Also, real quick, I'll pull this up on our dev server. Also next week, we are launching, and I know this is a little bit of a rough example. It'll be cleaned up and made a lot more efficient by next week. But you will have the ability to create portfolios or journals, different types of journals. So some for day trading, long-term investing, and you will be able to create different portfolios for this. So for example, this test one that I created, I will click in here. And right in here, it'll show you, based on what your trades are, it'll show you like, your best trade, your worst trade, your minimum value, different transactions, your composition, and your overall performance and your return on investment. You can create this as many portfolios as you want. And what's really neat about this as well is that if you wanted to share it with a mod before like a one-on-one or some sort of, a study group, you could go ahead and click the share icon, and then all of it's private by default. And then right here, you click get shareable link, you get it, and then you can give it to one of the mods. Okay, this is huge because not only is it a full trading journal, but you can create your own different types of journals. So one for day trading, swing trading, whatever it is that you want, and keep yourself real organized. Okay. You will be able to download your trading history in CSV from your brokerage firm and upload it here. We are not going to be doing like an auto connect to your brokerage firm because there's no need for that. We don't need to have an open connection between our website and your brokerage firm. That's not necessary. All right. So that is that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else.
Yeah. I mean, guys, that's what I mean. That's why we've been, it's been one hell of a week, getting all these things integrated and developed and on the TC platform for our members to just continuously improve. And you guys understand, that's what I mean by True Trading is a platform. You're not just paying for trade alerts or anything like that. It's a platform that's going to give you guys access to all these different things. So, and if you guys know, if you watch our live streams for a while, you know that we've actually been walking the price of our membership up towards $2,000 and eventually over $2,000.
Mike, can I show them one more thing?
Sure.
Last thing. Guys, if you know about our charting platform, you will know it's something we have worked on for a very long time. One of the biggest things that we've wanted to put out there, is the ability for the professor or Mike or any of the mods to be able to annotate a chart and then be able to push it out to people in real time. And I have to tell you, we have now finished that feature, and that will be going live next week as well. So what that means is inside of your charting system, you'll see a new interface where it's a moderator charts here. Okay. You select which mod you want on the right. So I'll select Moment, for example. This will load, and then I will go to right here where I'll say load chart, and Moment's chart will be in there. So now, if let's say Jason Simmons in the morning wants to annotate a chart, mark it up, and give it to you guys, you can follow along live in your charting software. All right. So that's some pretty cool stuff that we have been working on inside of True Trading Group. And then last but not least, before I leave the office today, I am submitting our application to have the True Trading Group courses accredited by ANSI.
That's going to be, I can't wait for, that's going to be so amazing, man.
So I have just about finished with the application. I am getting ready to send it in today before I leave. And these courses hopefully will be accredited by ANSI. All right. A lot of stuff we're working on, guys. A lot of stuff. This is the definition of a ground floor opportunity, and it is a team effort. True Trading Group has 21 employees. All of our trading mods, they are not there as a favor. They are paid to be there. They are paid employees. Why do we pay them? Because they're there giving of their time, energy, and effort, and it's a sweet gig for them. They get to go there. We pay them. They go ahead and trade, and we also, you know, this is a real business. They're employees. They should be paid. You know, so literally everyone is here for you guys.
Yeah, we literally have two of our moderators are spending their entire Saturday doing a live options workshop on September 11th. You know, from 9 in the morning till 6 in the evening, two of our moderators are going to be going through options training with all of our members.
Yep.
You know, our moderators put in a lot of time and energy with our members doing one-on-one mentor programs, private study groups, live workshops. You know, it's being a TC mod is no joke.
It is a demanding job.
Very.
But well worth it. All right. Yeah. So anyways, we got a lot of stuff going on inside of True Trading Group. Accreditation means that it is essentially backed by a professional body. So whatever is, you know, it actually will count towards something. Like if you bring it to a job, or you know, it lends like an extra air of credibility is what it does.
It's like a professional educational body organization is putting their stamp of approval on the curriculum.
Right. It's like a big oversight committee that lends an immense amount of like credibility.
Yeah.
I don't know of any other course online in this area that does anything remotely like this.
Yeah.
So that is all. That'll do, Donkey. That'll do.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. That's why, you know, all of these things that we continue to add to our platform is why we have to keep increasing the price of our membership, because we don't have you pay for these things. These are all included with your membership when you join True Trading Group. We as a business negotiate these things with these different service providers, data providers, companies, and to include them on the platform for everybody.
Yeah, and I think you just said a really good point, and I think that's what sets. I think that's also something that really sets us apart. A lot of there are other companies out there that have courses and they have tools and things like that, but we are as far as I know, we are the only company that has literally reached out to the top service providers in this industry, brought them in as partners, so that we could offer you their services when you sign up, not for an additional cost, included. So yes, we have. That's why we say it's a platform, because yeah, there are courses, but it really is like you know, getting your internet, your cable, and your phone all in the same place. Yeah. You know.
Yeah.
So. But yeah, look. There are other services out there. Schmore your baiting. You know, Shrim Reichs. You know,
I hate when you do this.
Huh?
I hate when you do this.
Caging Full. They charge $2,000-3,000 more than we do with a tremendous amount of more upsell and with like a fraction of the value. So for us, we know that we need to settle the price out at around $2,000 to $2,500. That's where we're headed. We have done it really slowly. We're going to start to pick up the pace here soon on that because there's a lot of stuff here. And honestly, the $2,000 that you'll end up paying for the year is, I mean, it's worth its weight in gold. So that is it, guys. All right.
That's awesome. Look at Alan. Alan says, thanks for the education with True Trading Group. My overall account is up 29% in August. Thank you, TTG family. I love it. Yeah.
So everyone that joined for under for like $1,300 and under, like, congratulations. Ultimately the plan is, look, I know I'm eating into your thing a bit, Mike, but I'm almost done. We come on here every night and we tell you the price is going up and, whatever. And look, the goal of True Trading Group is we want everyone to be able to afford this. That is our goal. Just like Netflix, most people can afford a Netflix account, right? We want this to be like that. We don't want you to have to pay $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a year for you guys to have access to all these things. We want to keep it affordable. Okay? So that is absolutely what our goal is. That's why for us, we know that once we hit the $2,000 to $2,500 mark, we don't need to raise our prices anymore ever again. It will literally be that price for the annual membership going forward. We'll have like a sale here and there for like, $200 off, $100 off, whatever. But that price point is where we're headed because that's what it's worth. It's worth more, but that's an amount that somebody could save up for. It's not going to put anyone out too much, and it has an immense value at that price. So also, whatever price you pay now is the price that you pay for renewal for life. You will never be charged more just because we raise our price up. Okay? So there's no surprise pricing later in. You are grandfathered in. All right? So that's it. Look, True Trading Group is a business. It's a hell of a business, right, Mike? Is it a hell of a business? It's a business.
The hell of a drug.
The business of True Trading Group is like it needs to be perfectly balanced. What I mean by that is it's got to do well as a business, but the business only does well when our members are doing well. That's how we've been able to grow the way that we have. It's not because we're spending millions on marketing. It's not because, we're really, really good at, talking people out of to separate with their $1,200, $1,300, $1,400. It's because our biggest advocates, our biggest salespeople are our members because they're doing well. And even the ones that are struggling don't feel left behind and know that we actually give a shit because we do. So that's all I got, Mike. Boom, boom, boom.
I'm loving this.
Your throat must be feeling a little bit better.
For the 4 minutes that I got right there was a nice little.
Somebody goes, Mike looks upset. He wants to go out on Friday night. Mike's going to sleep.
I'm going to dinner, actually.
What do they think you do?
I'm going to dinner.
You go to dinner and then you go home and you go to sleep.
Yeah, what am I doing? Where am I going? I'm old now.
Right.
I'm old.
All right, go do your thing.
I'm washed up.
All right, we got 12 laptops that are left over from last night.
Okay, great.
Just letting you know.
Throw that in there too. Sure, guys, here you go. 12.
All right,
awesome.
Bye.
Awesome. All right. Cool. Guys, I enjoyed that. I liked having Adam talk there. It gave me a minute to breathe. You guys, don't you guys get sick and tired of listening to me? I mean, you guys just hear me talk all day long. Think about it. I talk to you all day during the day in chat, and then I come and I talk to you on the live stream. Aren't you guys tired of hearing my voice yet? It's funny. I like when I talk to members, they're like, Mike, my whole family knows who you are. Like, because like they just hear my voice like on a live stream or on the chat. And they're like, my whole family know, oh, is that Mike again? It's like everybody just knows my voice. But listen, if you're sick of my voice, too bad. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Guys, listen, all the things that Adam was just showing you and walking you guys through, that's why he was talking about, like, that's why we keep moving the price of our membership higher. Okay. And we're going to continue to do that. But one thing I do want to point out before, and again, I've got lessons I want to talk to you guys about regarding SGOC. We're going to get to that in just a second. But the price you guys pay today is the price you lock in for life. Okay, so you'll pay $1,277 today to join a membership. If our membership next year is $2,500, when you renew, you're only going to pay $1,277. You pay the price you pay. The price you pay today is the price you pay for life. So you won't be paying that higher price. That's why, like, everyone that's in True Trading Group now, you guys get all these features at no additional fee. We're never going to charge you guys more for that. We're just going to charge new members more money to cover the costs and expenses that we incur as a company to put these services and these products and these tools onto the platform. Okay, so the 1-year membership to True Trading Group, it's normally $2,212, but from now until midnight Pacific, you can save 42%. Our back to school end of summer sale brings the price all the way down to $1,277. And the next 12 people that join True Trading Group, we've got 12 laptops left over from the other night. The next 12 people to join with the coupon code TTG121 will get themselves a brand new free laptop. It's totally free. It's our gift to you for joining the family, whether your kid needs a new laptop for back to school, maybe you need a new laptop for work, whatever it is, the laptop maybe you want to use it to trade on, it's yours. We even cover the shipping costs. We do ship globally. We have members in True Trading Group from all corners of the globe. We do ship those laptops anywhere. I want you to think of us as the Netflix of trading communities, guys, because like I said, you pay one price, you get access to everything we have. You're going to get the entire 17-course curriculum. It's a simplified version of the education I received when I worked at the hedge fund. It gives you beginner and foundation courses for those that are brand new. There's also advanced courses for seasoned traders. There's also courses on options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it. We've got it in text and video format. You're also going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. Gives you live breaking news as soon as it crosses the wire. So you can get news at the same speed as professional traders. You're not getting something that's like 15 minutes delayed. You're also going to get Quote Media's full book level 2. So you can see all the market makers inside of level 2 with all the order flow. You're also going to get TradingView's premium level charting software, which is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. Our simulator, which lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data so you can practice with fake money. It's the same simulator that's used by California State University, Fullerton, University of Wisconsin, Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, Illinois Tech, just to name a few. Those are the same universities that use this trading simulator. You're also going to get our Trade Ideas scanner that shows you stocks making new highs, new lows, unusual volume surge. They're broken down into small cap, mid cap, and large cap. So no matter what it is that you trade, we can make sure you're always focused on the best stocks during the day. And starting on Monday, our own proprietary scanner that has all the functionality of FinViz Elite with the power of streaming data from our partners at Quote Media. View our own presets as moderators. You can create your own, save them, and follow along as myself and the rest of our pro trader moderators share our scanner setups with you in real time. You're also going to get access to our chat room, which we share our screen with you during the day. So you see the same things that our moderators are looking at. You see our screen. We're live on the microphone talking to you in real time, telling you where we see opportunity. I call out all of my trades in advance of making them. I come on the microphone before I buy a stock and say, hey, guys, I'm looking at $10 support. I'm going to try to be a buyer around $10.25. My stop will also be $9.50. I'm going to take profits off at $11.50, $12, and $13. It's exactly what I say in the microphone, guys, before I actually enter a trade. And then once my trade executes, you get a notification in chat to let you know that my order has filled with the entry and the stop loss price of that order. Okay. We're also with you in chat the whole day. We're not gone after 2 hours, and you'll have to fend for yourself. The moderators in True Trading Group are there from pre-market till after hours, answering questions and trading with you. We also do live workshops and webinars throughout the, throughout the week. We have the Options Palooza event, like I said, September 11th. Don't forget it. We do one-on-one mentor sessions with lifetime members. We do small private study groups as well. The study groups are great. That's a real chance for you to get individualized attention from a teaching moderator to go over lessons and topics that you need help with. You're going to get 2 of those included free with your membership when you guys join with coupon code TTG121. Really can help speed up that learning curve by getting that individualized help from a TTG mod. We also do a lot of fun giveaways. We give away $30,000 cash or a brand new Tesla whenever we get 300 new members. We're actually almost there for our next Tesla $30,000 giveaway. I think we're maybe 75% of the way there, somewhere around that number. I'm not sure exactly, somewhere around there. But every time we get 300 new members, we give away a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash. You just have to be a member of TTG to be included. That's it. Literally, you just have to be a member, and you guys can win. We are okay. I just got the numbers from Adam. We are 80.67% of the way there for our next $30,000 giveaway. You just have to be a member of True Trading Group, and you'll have a chance to win $30,000. There's a really good chance, guys, by next Sunday, we'll probably be doing that $30,000 Tesla giveaway by next Sunday. So all you guys need to do is join True Trading Group, and you'll have a chance to win 30 grand.
Yeah, there's almost, we'd have to not live stream, and you would have to go to Tijuana.
I'm okay to go to Tijuana.
Do you wanna?
Do you wanna Tijuana?
Do you want it? I do so bad. I do. All right, that's all.
I'll see you there. But guys, listen, so for those laptops too, you'll know you're getting a laptop. If you see in the checkout cart, you see the laptop, that means you're getting one. If you go to your checkout cart and there's no laptop, that means we've completely sold out. And you actually have to enter coupon code TTG121 and click apply code. We also do offer you a money back guarantee. Okay, we also offer you a money back guarantee. That's how confident I am in the education that we provide. I see the success our members are having. Over 80% of our members are successful, meaning they're making money and becoming better traders. If that wasn't the case, I would not be able to offer you guys a money back guarantee. Okay, so here's the deal. If you go through all the courses, if you pass the quizzes, if you attend one private study group, that's all I'm asking for you to do is just to put in a little effort, do those 3 things. And if you still don't make back your membership fee, $1,277, if you don't make that back at least once during your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I'm not kidding. I will give you a full refund. Everything I'm telling you is on the website. If you commit to me, I will commit to you. It's that simple. Because at the end of the day, folks, results matter. And because our members are doing well, I can offer you this comfortably. If you guys don't believe me, watch this. Guys, my teaching members, if you are making money and you're becoming a better trader because of True Trading Group, type the number 1 in chat right now. If you're making money, type the number 1 in chat right now. Anyone that's not a member, just watch how many number 1s come through on the side of the screen. It's because of these number 1s that I am able to confidently and comfortably offer you the money back guarantee, because I see the results that my members are having. Okay, that is why I am able to offer you this money back guarantee. If my members weren't making money, I wouldn't offer you money back guarantee. I'd be a complete fool to do so. But it's these number 1s that you see coming through the side of the screen. That's why I can do it, because all these people are making money with True Trading Group. Alan Vlois says, guys, I'm up 29% in August, and I've never been this profitable. Derek, I made my annual membership today while getting kids ready for school. I'm sorry, Derek, I mispronounced your name. Okay. So there you guys have it, right? So you just have to use coupon code TTG121. You guys will get the 42% discount. The next 12 people will get a brand new free laptop. You're going to get a money back guarantee, and you have a chance to win $30,000 or a brand new Tesla next Sunday. All right. Remember, TTG121 coupon code. All right. Now let's head things over to the lessons of the day. We're going to go over to SGOC. I'm going to share my screen with you. Mark McFarlane up 151% in the past month on my account. Thank you, True Trading Group. I made more than a membership fee today on my MRIN options alone. I don't have a job anymore. It's almost a year since I joined TTG. My trading account doesn't grow because I pay my bills with profits. That's awesome. Awesome. Has anyone ever even taken the money back guarantee? Actually, yes, guys, yes, there are. We have given money back. We have given refunds because listen, the reality of the matter is that, it's not possible to have a 100% success rate, right? I know it's not possible, but that doesn't mean we can't try. We leave no trader behind in True Trading Group. Over 80% of our members are successful, but that means just under 20% are still struggling. And here's a little statistic. Of the last 4,500 people that have joined True Trading Group, 4,500 people, there's 7,200 members total, over 7,200 members total. But since we started keeping track of this, of the last 4,500 members that joined, we have only had to refund 100 people. That is a refund rate of 2%. 2% of people we've had to refund, meaning that 2% of the 4,500 people have not made back their membership fee. That's the power of professional education. Dude, I bought my Tesla from is who turned me onto TTG, thus best value possible with that particular investment. That is incredible. That's awesome. That's awesome. Best value possible with that particular investment. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Welcome, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. Marsha, that's awesome. Really, really awesome. That's awesome. Marsha, when I first read your name, I thought your name said Mortal Kombat. Her name is Marshall Combat. I thought it said Mortal Kombat. All right, guys, so let's go over to the charts. I want to go over some lessons with you guys real quick on SGOC, and then I'll let you guys go. I've got dinner reservations. I'll let you guys go and start enjoy your weekend, but I don't ever want to let a day go by where we don't learn something to make you guys better traders. Let's talk about SGOC. The thing I want to talk to you about regarding SGOC has everything to do with stop losses and proper stop loss placement and not moving your stop loss up prematurely. A lot of people move stop losses prematurely and they get themselves caught in situations where the timing of the breakout was incorrect and they end up stopping out of their position and then the stock moves higher without them. Now, a lot of amateur traders would have stopped out on this SGOC trade right there. A lot of amateur traders would stop out of SGOC right there and then therefore miss that breakout to new highs. Okay, a lot of traders would miss that. They would stop out at that point. But why? Because they're moving their stop loss up prematurely and they are not identifying the correct support level. Understand your stop loss needs to go beneath the support level that if the stock breaks below, the setup is no longer intact. All right, let me reshare just to make sure you guys have no issues with the chart. Okay, so a lot of amateur traders would stop out right here. I got long SGOC right there. Literally right there is where I got long. A lot of amateur traders would stop out right here because they feel like that should have now become their stop loss. Okay. That's wrong. Now let's go over this trade because I want to point out to you the importance of proper stop loss placement. This is a very important lesson. Okay, this is a very important lesson. All right. Now, as we zoom this in, SGOC broke through prior day's highs. Okay. SGOC broke through prior day's highs with a nice increase in volume. That's a sign a stock has momentum when we break through the prior day's highs with heavier volume than any point prior, the day prior. So you can see yesterday's volume in SGOC, your biggest volume bars were like 1.2 million shares. We broke through yesterday's high with heavier volume than the stock traded at any point during the day yesterday. That's a sign of momentum. So what did I do? At that moment, I draw up my Fibonacci retracement levels, and I identify a support level right here at the 38.2 Fibonacci support level, which also lined up with, at the time, my VWAP indicator, and my trade line was working underneath it. So on that pullback, I got long SGOC literally right there at the bottom end of that pullback at $9.72. $9.72 was my entry right there. Now, we get a quick push, bang, we break up there, we go to new highs of the day, and I take 25% of my position off the table at $10.45. But now, what a lot of amateur traders will do, let me actually, you know what, excuse me, guys, let me actually go back and show you when I initially entered the trade, where was the stop loss? Okay, when I initially entered the trade, where's the stop loss? The stop loss is at the $9 area. Why the $9 area? Because this yesterday's highs is the previous resistance level. That is now the new support level that if we break below it, this pattern is no longer intact. So when I entered that trade, my stop loss goes just beneath the $9 area. So there's my stop loss, right? Now there's the entry. Now the stock gives me the break to the new highs. I take 25% of my position off the table. At this moment, a lot of amateur traders will have a tendency to take their stop loss and move it up to here. And then what happens? The stock starts to pull back, and then they get stopped out. Meanwhile, I am still in the trade. The reason why I am still in the trade is because as long as SGOC stays above this level, then this trade setup is intact. Do not prematurely move stop losses higher. I like to move stop losses higher when I get to profit target number 2. Once I get to profit target number 2, then that is when I move my stop loss higher. That is exactly what we did on SGOC. SGOC never goes down and violates that $9 support. We pull ourselves back together. I actually add back to a full-size position on SGOC right here. I'll give you guys the exact timestamp. At 10:43 a.m., I added back to SGOC at 10:09 to get back to a full-size position. Remember, I took some profit off, added back to a full-size position, and then bang, we get the breakout move. I take a piece of profit off as we make that break at $10.61. Then we pop over $11 new high. I take more profits off at $11.05. And now I can move my stop loss higher. Now I move my stop loss, which was below $9. I don't need to keep it below $9 now. I've got my second profit off the table. So now what I do is I move that stop loss up to my next area of support, which I looked at was, you know what, I'm going to leave this right there to VWAP, and that's going to be my new stop loss. I'm playing with house money at this point. There's my first entry. There's my second entry. Cannot lose money on this trade now. Took a lot of profit off the table on those breakouts. And then you see the stock. Do we get follow through? Do we get follow through? No. Almost. And then we ran out of steam. So then I stop out the rest of that position right there. Final profits out right there below that $10 level. And that's how I traded SGOC today. That's how I traded SGOC today. But again, the lesson I really want you to take from this, guys, is that stop loss and not prematurely moving your stop loss higher, because that is how you end up exiting winning trades too soon. Okay, that's how you end up exiting winning trades too soon. Okay, so there you have it, folks. That's the lesson there on SGOC. I hope this was helpful. I get a lot of questions from people throughout trading days and throughout the weeks about stop loss placement and getting stopped out of trades too soon, and then the stock moves higher without them. This is one of the root causes of that. Okay, this is one of the root causes of that. Derek, welcome to True Trading Group, Derek. Guys, everyone, all my family, welcome Derek to the team. Derek, our latest member of the TTG family. We have 11 laptops left. The next 11 people to use coupon code TTG121 will get themselves a brand new free laptop. Make it 10. Timothy, welcome to the TTG family. Everyone, welcome Timothy. We've got 10 laptops left now. All you guys need to do is use coupon code TTG121 to get the 42% discount, a brand new free laptop for the next 10 people. You'll get a money back guarantee, and you'll have a chance to win $30,000 or a brand new Tesla on next Sunday. Whoa, 9 laptops. Everyone, welcome Terry. Terry, welcome to the TTG family. Terry, it is my pleasure to have you part of the group. 9 laptops left now, folks. All right, 9 laptops left. What I'd like to do now, I'd like to just take a quick couple of minutes, guys, before we break, before I head to dinner, before you guys get your weekend underway. And I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Maybe do some work this weekend, all right? If it's raining or whatever, if you have nothing going on, spend some time, go through the courses, go through the video library, better prepare yourself to make some money next week, all right? What I want to do now is I want to show you guys the TTG platform. I'm going to show you everything you get access to as a member. That 1-year membership, it's normally $2,212, but from now until midnight on Sunday Pacific time, you can save 42%. It brings the price all the way down to just $1,277. And the next 9 people to use coupon code TTG121 will get themselves a brand new free laptop. We even cover the shipping costs. Like I said, you'll have a chance to win $30,000 or a brand new Tesla, and you get a money back guarantee. As a member of True Trading Group, you're getting access to the top premium trading tools and resources because you bundle them together as part of your membership. Included with your TTG platform will be Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. This is a live breaking up to the second news alert service directly inside of our chat room that gives you news as soon as it crosses the wire. You do not pay extra for this. It is included with your membership. You're also going to get Quote Streams full book level 2. That's going to show you all the market makers inside of level 2. You do not pay extra for this. It's included with your membership. You're going to get our trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with real-time data, with fake money, so you can practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. You don't pay extra for this. It's included. You're also, guys, going to be able to get access to our Trade Ideas scanner. That's going to show you stocks making new highs, new lows, have unusual volume activity. It's broken down between small caps, mid caps, and large caps. So whatever you trade, we make sure you're always focused on the best and hottest stocks during the day. You don't pay extra for this. It's included. And we're also now launching our own proprietary scanner that has all the functionality of FinViz Elite with the power of streaming data from our partners at Quote Media. You can view the moderator presets on their scanners. You can create and save your own scanners and follow along as myself and the rest of our Pro Trader moderators share our scanner setups with you in real time. This includes the ability to download unlimited analyst rating reports on any stock that comes up in the scanner, all provided by our partners at Quote Media. You don't pay extra for this. It's included. You're also going to get our social sentiment scanner that searches today's top social media such as Reddit and even more specifically Wall Street Bets and lets you know the top discussed stocks and gives important information such as percentage of the float that is short, the size of the float, are there options on the stock, is it shortable, and so much more. And then as of next week, we're also adding Twitter and stock twits to that social sentiment scanner. This is a complete game changer. If you want to catch short squeezes like SPRT, BBIG, you want to catch those kind of short squeezes before they happen, this scanner and this social sentiment scanner is going to help you with that greatly. You don't pay extra for it. It's included. You're also going to get TradingView's premium level charting software. That's one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today. You don't pay extra for it. It's included. You're then going to get at least a minimum of 10 easy to follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders currently sporting well over an 80% win rate. We are fully transparent.
Bro. It's now over an 84% win rate. You drive me crazy because it took us a while to get over the 84. It's over
84% win rate in chat.
84.04%.
We keep a trading journal on our site, guys, that lets you see all of the moderators' trading performance. Okay? All the mods upload their trade activity every day to the trading journal. It tracks every single buy and every single sell that our moderators make. This way, you can follow along and see if you were following these alerts, how would you have been doing as a member of True Trading Group? The wins, the losses, the break-evens, they are all there for you to see. You're also going to get 2 small private study groups with any TeachD mod. This is a game changer to help speed up the learning curve, help you guys go over with lessons and topics that you're struggling with, get that individualized attention from a TeachD mod. Then you've got the courses. Guys, I'm literally out of breath telling you everything that's included with our membership. You're going to get the beginner and foundation courses. These are for people that never trade a stock a day in their life. You're also going to get our advanced courses, options, trader psychology, crypto, swing trading. You name it, we've got it in text and video format, whichever is easier for you guys to learn. You're also going to get access to our video library. The video library is in addition to the courses. There's over 100 hours of additional educational video content. This is covering different workshops like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job. Our Options Palooza workshop that's happening on September 11th from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., where our top option traders are going to be doing and teaching you guys about options trading. That's totally free with your membership. It will be recorded and it'll be posted up here in the video library. You also get access to our trading chat room where the moderators and I share our screen. We're live on the microphone, calling out trades and answering questions in real time. Listen up, guys. The price of our membership is going to continue to be walked up until we cross $2,000. All of the things that we are adding on this platform cost money. So we have to increase the price. Even at $2,000, it's insane value. But at $1,277, it's ridiculous. That Benzinga newsfeed alone would cost you $1,400 a year if you paid for it on your own. The quote media is $990 a year. The simulator's $300, and TradingView charts is $600. That's $3,200 a year if you paid for those services on your own. They're all included free with your membership to True Trading Group. Our goal is to disrupt this entire industry and to provide you with a platform that's going to give you the best chance of becoming the most consistently profitable that you could possibly be. Because, guys, results matter, and we need to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. If you guys think $1,277 is a lot, it's not. It comes out to $3.50 a day. I guarantee each and every single one of you can find $3.50 to stop spending on dumb shit during the day that can go towards your TeachD membership that could potentially change your life. Paul, welcome to the TeachD family. There are now only 8 laptops left. Use coupon code TTG121. You guys will get a brand new free laptop, a 42% discount, a chance to win 30 grand on next Sunday, and a money-back guarantee. Don't forget, guys, if you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one study group, that's all I'm asking from you. If you do those things and do not make back your membership fee at least once, I'll give you all of your money back. I'll give you a full refund. All right? You just have to enter the coupon code TTG121 and then click apply code to get that discount. Remember, you'll get one of the laptops. If you see the laptop in your checkout cart, that means you're getting one of the 8 laptops. If you go to checkout and there's no laptop in your cart, that means we have completely sold out. Guys, we are also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I welcome, encourage, and invite you all to go read those reviews. Well over 1,300 people have taken the time out of their day to write us a review on Trustpilot. Take some time and go read them. There is no better referral than that of your peers. There, I'll read one to you. Oh, 20 hours ago, Steve. Best choice I have ever made. I have done my fair share of trading, have followed or joined many different groups that claim to teach and help you make wise purchases. When I found TTG, I was very skeptical. I can now say that they mean everything they say. They also give 1,000% every day. My only wish was that I found them from day one. You can't go wrong if you want to learn about trading. Boom. Guys, I'm telling you, seriously, go read these reviews. Go read them. There's no better referral than that of your peers, folks. Use coupon code TTG121. You'll get a 42% discount before the price continues to go up. It's going to be over $2K before you know it. Take advantage of this coupon code. You can pay $12.77 right now. That price is good until Sunday at midnight Pacific time. After Sunday, midnight Pacific, that price goes up. So you guys got to jump on it now. Use that coupon code. There's only 8 laptops left. So again, TTG121. Click apply code. You'll get a laptop. If you see a laptop in your checkout cart, the next 8 people, and you get that money back guarantee. And of course, a chance to win $30,000 or a brand new Tesla next Sunday. All you got to do is be a member of TTG, and you have a chance to win 30 grand or a brand new Tesla. All right. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. You're the best. I love you all. Enjoy your weekend. Happy Friday. But get your butts right here, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, live. I'm going live here again Sunday night. We're going to go over the stock market outlook, what I expect the markets to do next week, and more importantly, how I plan on making money. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you haven't done so already, smash that like button. Show me some love. I'll see you guys all Sunday night. Later.